Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mujahid Hussain. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to learn about convert files, and this is our content list in which we will learn or we will discuss about conversion, then converting a file into different formats, software for converting files, and changing extension of a file manually. So first of all, conversion can be done using different types of software available on internet, and we can download softwares and then we can install and then we can perform conversion. And in this lecture we will cover the procedure for converting a file into different format like MS Word file to PDF file, demonstrate software types using for the conversion and conversion of file manually, and procedure for converting files using online software or website. And after this lecture you will able to convert files using different methods. So let's know about conversion. Sometimes it is necessary to convert a file into another format like converting MS Word file into PDF file, which is an Adobe Acrobat file. Conversion of video file into audio file. Conversion can be done using different types of software available on internet, and we can download the software and then can be installed on our system on PC. Now let's know about converting a file into different formats. A file can be converted into different formats through many ways. It can be converted either manually or using downloaded software or online software. For example, converting a Word file into PDF file. Some software gives the option of saving a file in different format like MS Office, providing this conversion option. Like if we have a Word file and we want to it in a PDF format, then how we will convert that file. So let's see conversion of Word file into PDF. So what are the steps? You have to follow these steps. Follow the steps. Open a file in MS Word 2010 or any other edition like 13, 16 or 19 you have installed on your PC. So open a file in MS Word and then click on File tab and go to Save and Send. And the file types field, choose Create PDF or XPS document. Then click Create a PDF or XPS, and there will be a pop-up dialog box. Enter a file name and location where you want to save that file, and just click on Publish. Then your file will be saved with that type, in that type. Now let's know about software for converting. There we have many softwares available for conversion of files into different formats. Like we have to convert Word file to PDF file, and PDF and video file into audio, and Excel into PDF or PDF into Excel, PDF into Word. So there are many conversion we can perform through different methods. So these are the softwares which are available on internet, so we can download and we can perform our conversion according to our desire, according to our need. Like Word to PDF or PDF to Word file conversion software, Foxit, Phantom and Nitro. These are softwares which can perform both, like Word to PDF and PDF to Word file conversion, audio video file conversion, any video converter, total video converter, and factory format. So I love to use factory format. So all type of conversion like audio, video, file, and any other conversions are available, like picture. If you want to convert a picture into GIF or in JPG, PNG or any other format, then you can also convert these all conversion in factory format. Then we have archive files to zip file conversion software. So we have ExpressZip and WinRAR, and many other softwares are available on internet. So, and we have also universal file converter software, in which you can convert into PDF, HTML file, TIFF, JPG, PNG, MP, RAW, and EPS, PS, and other file formats. So you can perform any conversion while using the universal file converter. Now let's move to changing extension of a file manually. If we have a file available, or we want to save any file in any format, then we want to change the extension of that file. So first of all, let's know about what is the extension. File extension or simply extension is a suffix at the end of a file that indicates what type of file it is. Like for example, in file name computer.txt, text is the extension of a file. In file index.html, .html is the extension of file. Like .mp4, mp4 is the extension of file. .avi, avi is an extension of file. .mp3, so mp3 is an extension of file, means it indicates what type of file it is. So now changing a file extension using save as command. So first of all, you have to open a file for changing extension. Number 2, click on file tab, then save as button. Save as dialog box will appear. Click on save as type text box and select the type wanted to save, then click on OK button. The file extension will be saved as selected type. So these are the different methodologies that how can you change the file from one in any format. So have a look at how can we perform this thing. For this I am going to write here Word, MS Word. Just type any text according to your choice. Like we are going to write down friend, RAND, and then parenthesis, in parenthesis you just 4 by 5 or 4 by 6 any, and then just press. You will find out the paragraphs and text in those paragraphs. So this is a random text. RAND stands for random, in which you have to enter the paragraph number and how much line you want in that paragraph. So that will be appear. Now go through the file tab and look at the save as button. Click on this one, and now you can select the destination where you want to save the file. Like I am going to save the file on my desktop. So give any name, like a video provides. If I am going to save this one, so this file is saved with the video providers. You can see on the desktop video providers, and this is a Word file. Now if I want to convert this one, so first of all I have closed this one and then reopen this. Again go file menu and save as button. Then like I am selecting the same location, desktop, just save as type, and now you can see there are different types like the PDF and Word tablet etc and XPS document. So I have to convert this into PDF file. So select the PDF and then just click on save button. Your file will be saved in a PDF format. So it's now you can see your file, our file is converted into PDF format. So this is the way that how can you convert file in different formats. So you can use different softwares as well. And in last, is there any question, then ask, comment. I am available for you guys. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.